Hey guys, welcome back to KAUXIK Tech and Gaming, and today we have the new OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. So let's just quickly unbox this and check out some features like quick swap and the ultra low latency mode. So let's get started. So here is the OnePlus Z earphone box. On both the side of the box, there is Bullet Wireless Z written, and at the back of the box, there are some major specifications like rapid charge, long battery life, magnetic control, waterproof, yes this is water resistance not waterproof, and quick button and low latency mode. And the MRP of this is 2190, and that's all on the box. So let's just open the box, and on sliding the box you get something like this. This is the printed image of the earphones, and under the box we have our earphones. So let me just take these earphones out. So they are in fully black color. The earbuds are also made up of plastic, but the plastic is shiny plastic which gives it a premium look, and it has magnetic control. And actually the full body is made up of good quality of plastic. The quality of the neckband is excellent and it is made up of rubber. So other than the earphones, we get another box inside the main box, in which we get some papers, and on the other side we get our charging cable. Actually I am satisfied with the cable length. It's not that short as that Realme one, and it's a USB 2 Type-C charging cable. Then we got some extra ear tips which comes in 3 sizes: small, medium and large. So now let's talk about the earphones. And the earphones have a quick control panel, and it has 3 buttons: the plus, middle button and the minus button. By pressing the middle button one time, it plays and pauses the music and answer and disconnect the incoming call. And by double pressing it, you can change the song, and by triple pressing the button, you can switch to previous song. And the volume buttons are for increasing and decreasing the volume. And at the back side, you get an integrated microphone. And on the main body, you get a button and an LED indicator. The main button only performs quick swap feature. Through the quick swap feature, you can switch between the devices easily. For example, if these earphones are connected to a device and you want to connect your earphones to other device, so you simply have to double press the main button and it will automatically get connected to the other device. And this is one of the exciting feature of this earphones. Then we get a Type-C charging port which support fast charging, and it gets charged for 10 hours in just 10 minutes. These earphones do not have any physical button for on and off as they have magnetic. You simply have to separate the earbuds to switch it on and connect the earbuds to switch it off. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Its connectivity range is up to 10 meters and it varies from phone to phone. And its connectivity speed is also very fast, approximately less than 1 second. And it also displays the battery. And the neckband is flexible and comfortable, and it's made up of good quality of rubber. Then let's come on the earbuds. The design of the earbuds is slightly different, and this is the only thing I don't like about these earphones. These earphones does not fit my ear perfectly, and when I use these earphones for a long time, my ears start paining. The music quality is also good, but I feel lack of bass. Now let's talk about the gaming experience. These earphones also have low latency mode. This means the delay in the audio while playing games is very less. So I just tested these low latency mode. Yes, the delay is very less and the low latency mode worked perfectly. And as you can see, the delay is about 0.2 seconds. And if you want to buy these earphones for gaming, you can go with these earphones as they have long battery life, quick charging and low latency mode. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also follow me on Instagram. The link is in description. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.